would like to speak this morning about the meaning of being still. The play of ego is the play of constant movement. It is the dynamics of subject and object, where the apparent object is in constant change, and the subject is drawn to that which is changing. And the conditioned habit is to be drawn into this dynamic. The constant following of change over time. But the nature of your being is not in time. It is now. It is in no relationship with the phenomenal play that appears to be changing over time. There is no time to now. It is eternal. The nature of what is eternal is unchanging. The nature of what is unchanging is called stillness. Breaking the trance lies in letting go of the conditioned tendencies for attention to be drawn into the ever-changing phenomena, which is change over time. Being still. Recognizing the stillness that inherently is. That is desireless. Desire is about future. Future lies in the subject-object dynamics of what is ever changing. Stillness is changeless. It is the feeling of the heart. What is changeless is in relationship with itself. It shines unto itself. It is not a doing. It is not an action. Doing and action are the play of what is in constant change. It is the feeling of the stillness, which is the beingness, the heart of being, the unchanging nature of the eternal feeling of what is still. In no relationship with perception, with objectification, with change. Where attention is at ease. No more in one location than another. Where relationship with heart is freed. Because the habit of attention falling into the phenomenal, ever-changing play is let go of. Centerless, location-less, eternal feeling of stillness. And every time there is the appearance of an object of phenomena, just letting go of the habit of allowing attention to be swept and feeling what remains still. Stillness is not about someone. Someone appears in the ever-changing phenomenal play of linear time. Stillness is the nature of being, the nature of heart, what has remained untouched, what is only in relationship with itself, what is felt equally everywhere. What shines as the light of pure love. This is being still. Leaving the play alone. Leaving conditioned sense of responsibility alone. Leaving all the habits that draw the attention into the experience of someone separate, alone. Just relaxing into that which is unmoving. In what is your true nature, there is no such thing as future. It is only movement story. There is no such thing as past. It is only movement story. Reality is now. Now is felt everywhere. The self-luminous, untouched nature, the heart of stillness. Centerless awareness, that which has no center. How can there be a center in that which is everywhere? How can there be an issue in that which is changeless? All about letting go of the habitual tendency to be drawn into the experience of movement and doing. So long as there is an identification with the contraction, the me story, karma must play. When there is the letting go of the habit of attention being pulled from the stillness of your being, which is centerless and eternal, then it is the light of that which is untouched, which infuses everything.